Here's problem 3. The directions are factor and reduce to simplest form. Well, if you just glance at this, this looks horrible because it's not just got x's in it, it's got y's. But we're going to do a couple of things to simplify it. So we're going to pretend the y's don't exist initially. So I'm going to take the denominator and call that 3x squared plus 10x minus 8. And for the numerator, leave the y's out as well. So I'm actually going to start with the denominator expression because there's only one way I can factor 3x squared. So I have to have a 3x and an x. And to get a negative here, I know I have to have a positive and a negative. The middle term is kind of big, so I'm going to say plus 4 here and minus 2 here. To check to make sure that this is correct, 3x times x, 3x squared, just the way we knew it had to be. 3x times 4 is positive 12x, negative 2 times x, negative 2x. Negative 2 times 4 is negative 8, just like we knew it had to be. If I add the two rows, 3x squared plus 10x minus 8. But that's not really what we had. So I'm going to change these two to 3x minus 2y times x plus 4y. So now I'm going to do the numerator, and I'm going to assume that this same factor is in there. And then if this is 3x, this has got to be 2x. And I have to have a plus and a minus, but here's my minus, so let's make sure this works. 3x times 2x, 6x squared. 3x times 5 plus 15x. Negative 2 times 2x, negative 4x. Negative 2 times 5 is negative 10, just like we knew it would be. Add the two rows, 6x squared plus 11x minus 10. So that worked, and we're just going to change it to 3x minus 2y times 2x plus 5y. So the 3x minus 2y cancels out to 1, and we're left with 2x plus 5y all over x plus 4y. Let's check the answer. So that is what we got. And you may wonder, could I do this in the calculator? So there's my expression. There is one important safety tip. In this CAS calculator, if you put two letters together and you mean multiplication, you have to actually put in the multiplication symbol. So xy is actually x times y. We hit enter, and the calculator did simplify it for us. Now you may be worried, oh, I got a warning here. Well, let's read the warning. Domain of the result might be larger than the domain of the output. Usually that means that there could be division by 0 involved, and you can normally ignore that. So that concludes this video.